Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay pi baro kinigilong ki khubor bam takasngi. Namarbam yo inline permit ne ILP na ka sarkar India wat hadian ba ka sarkar jilla kaladep yakran ban menteri katanat kampo yang kari India Amit Shah kam shamla urlang. Na kalian keseng nyau tribute council kalami pai ba ban pelong ka jeng tur syajaka pelong jingyalang jong ka NEC bawan u Amit Shah. Kita kinong yalam HYC haga jeng yalam u president u ba Roy Kupar syndrome kila syak bat no hagi bor pulin ban Phah lit syong hamadan football malki. Na kaliang u ba Roy Kupar syndrome ula kentait benen kumta kila lumno ha civil hospital Shillong ban perta shila persyak yu Amit Shah ban ILP. Syuk-syuk kat ba ka jeng yalang jong ka NEC ha State Convention Center ka HYC kala penher da ka balloon rongyong sya Suiñ bneng kum ka jeng persyak bam yo ILP.
ILP, we want ILP. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We want ILP. We want. Abandayo. ILP is the best. ILP is the best.
विकास मंत्रालय गवर्नमेंट और NEC के उपाध्यक्ष श्री जी किशन रेड्डी जी से अनुरोध करूंगा कि वे हमारे केंद्रीय गृह मंत्री श्री अमित शाह जी का स्वागत एवं सत्कार करें।
May I request the principals, the Secretary NEC, Shri K. Moses Charai, to kindly do the needful. We would also like to felicitate our members of the NEC, the Honourable Governors and Honourable Chief Ministers of the Northeastern region. We are filled with gratitude and thanks to each and every one of you who are present here. We are very delighted and honoured to have in our presence our Honourable Home Minister, Union Home Minister, for being here as to kindly leave the premises. All the much needed information and press releases will be shared with all the media houses. Thank you for your cooperation.
Beli ngah ring dari ni, kamsung apa le? Ring nak pergi kan dulu apa le? Datar dan
leaders, especially the Chief Minister, when he meet the Union Home Minister, he should raise these important issues. Because whenever they go to Delhi, they said that they have a discussion, but the Union Home Ministry or the central government are non-committed whether they'll implement ILP or not. We want our leaders, especially the Chief Minister, he should raise these important issues. If the government of Manipur, under the leadership of their Chief Minister, can impress upon the central government to give ILP within months, what happened or what took it so long for our government? Now it has been 5 or 6 years since the resolution was passed. So we feel that the government or the leaders of the government are not taking this issue seriously. And HYC will not just sit. We have a new government, a new year, new leaders of HYC. We will be taking this to a logical conclusion. And
No rest! Down. Down. We want ILP. 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 Tin kasi abandayo.